Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to find restricted accounts on the Instagram app when using your PC. If you've ever wanted to check which accounts you've restricted, or just want to manage your privacy settings, this step-by-step walkthrough is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look over to the left side menu. Here, you'll see a series of icons. Find the one labeled More. It's usually at the bottom of the list. Click on it to reveal additional options. Next, from the expanded menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account preferences and privacy controls. Take a moment to explore if you're curious, but for now, we're focusing on restricted accounts. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option called Restricted Accounts. Click on it, and you'll instantly see a list of all the accounts you've restricted. This feature is super helpful if you want to review who you've limited interactions with, or if you want to unrestrict someone and restore normal communication. From this list, you can tap on any account to view their profile, or you can choose to unrestrict them directly from this page. It's a simple way to take control of your Instagram experience and make sure your interactions stay positive and comfortable. Instagram's new update has made managing restricted accounts more accessible than ever, especially on PC. Whether you're looking to tidy up your restricted list or just double-check your privacy settings, these steps will help you stay on top of your account's security. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering your favorite social media platforms. See you in the next video.